Hello and welcome to our video about how to activate level 3 CIE. If you are an international student studying in Italy, you might be interested in this topic, especially if you want to access online services offered by public administrations or institutions. Okay, the electric identity card or CIE that we discussed in previous video that you can see in the links that gonna appear in the top right or top left of the screen, is the access key which allows the citizen to access securely to online services of institutions and public administrations. Thanks to the CIE, citizens no longer have to use different credentials for each administration, but have a single physical and digital identifications tool to access online services, both public and private, in the Italy and Europe, like as insurance institutions or other institutions that you might be familiar of. To activate level 3 CIE, you need to have the 8 digits of the PIN. The first part is delivered at the request of the card when you are in the commune or the institutions that you request the card at the first place, and the second part of the PIN is going to deliver to you when you receive the document and envelope of the card d'identità. In any case that you might forget the PIN, or if you even lost the PIN, you can receive it by clicking in this link that I'm mentioning here. There are three methods that you can activate your level 3 CIE. The first method is via the desktop, the second method is via the mobile phone or smartphone, and the third method is through desktop with smartphones, that we are going to discuss all the methods together in this video. For the desktop method, you need to access the service via the computer with the contactless smart card reader for CIE reading. Okay, that might be difficult and confusing, so we're gonna put this method away and I'm gonna discuss the other two methods more specifically. Okay, but what about the second method? For the mobile method, which is the second method that we are going to discuss, you need to use a smartphone equipped with the NFC system, which right now in 2023 all the mobile mostly are equipped with this hardware. And also need to install the CIE ID app, which you're gonna find in Google Store and Google Play easily. Finally, for the third method, for the desktop with the smartphone method, you need to access the service via the computer, and with using a smartphone equipped with the NFC system, you can read your card d'identità or CIE, and you can access and activate your CIE level 3. Okay, now we're gonna go through the second method, I mean through the mobile, mostly because most of the students are using mobiles and it's more convenient for all of us to see what the mobile method is and how we can go through step by step through the video. Okay, first of all we need to install the CIE ID app.